show you guys how to remove a door handle and a door panel on a 2016 Cadillac Escalade. The tools that you're going to need are going to be a angled screwdriver like this slash pry tool, a little angled pick, Torx T15 I believe, and then a 7mm socket. So let's go ahead and get started. So let me guys show you how to remove these covers first. There's going to be, I believe, two covers, one right here and one on the inside that you guys want to remove. So in order to remove this, you just take your angled pick and you just pop these out. Another one in here if you want to zoom in. And that's the other. Now there's going to be a screw right here, two screws in here, and then two screws down here. So let's go ahead and get to removing. Take your angled screwdriver, come in from the bottom here, and then just pop it off. And then these there's some clips up here up top. You kind of have to just really pull up and then pry out. And this rubber seal likes to come off with it too. Then if you want to come on the inside, you got to remove the wire for the door handle cable. All you have to do is just push this tab down, pull it out, and angle it out. And there's some clips right here. You just remove. There you go. That's how you remove the door panel. Set this over here. Okay, so now to remove the door handle, you have to pop this little cover off. Okay. It goes right here. And you need to take your T15 Torx, take this out on the side of the door. And there's another T15 Torx on the inside. You just gotta shine your light in there and find it. Now to drop it, there's that. And there's one more on the side of the door. What you have to do is you got to move this little tab, stick your Torx screwdriver in there, and then there's going to be another silver Torx screw in here. that. These should come out. Okay. You can see where one Ports bit goes here and another one goes here. Then you're going to need to go on the inside of this door, and there's this plug, this gray plug in here. I'll pop it out so you guys can see. Kind of. It's got a little red tab, so you gotta push this tab backwards. You gotta push this red tab backwards, and then push this tab, and then it comes apart. And that's really the main reason you want to get inside this door panel, to get that plug off. And all you have to do is just slide this back, and then it comes out like that. That's how you remove the door panel and the door handle on a 2016 Escalade. Thanks for watching.